It's your girl Sham and your boy
Zayden.
You guys like, comment, and subscribe.
Hit that bell.
And hit that bell.
Notifications.
Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified and every time a new video is uploaded. And today we're here. Today we are here because we're making what, Zayden?
Pizza.
We're making pizza, you guys. We're making homemade pizza. Right here we got our pizza crust. Another pizza crust, of course. We have our, what's this, Zayden?
Pizza sauce.
Our pizza sauce. And we have our cheese. 1 second, you guys. We forgot. Oh, and here we go. And what's the Zayden?
Pepperoni.
And we got our pepperonis. Are you?
Yeah.
We have our aluminum foil for our pizza dough.
Sorry, guys.
Right here. Oh, and you guys, we already washed our hands, of course. Right, Zayden?
Yeah.
We already washed our hands. So we have our pan. We got to spray the pan.
What's that? It will white sick. It will die. Die, don't melt it.
Zayden, what are you talking about? You're not going to die if you use that pan.
Okay.
Oh, you seen it?
Yeah.
I popped it open, you guys.
No.
Okay, here is the pizza. You got to sit down, Zay. Here is the pizza dough.
Mommy, I touched it.
1 second. We're using a cup to roll out. Zayden, they got to see it. We're going to roll out the pizza dough. If you guys hear a coughing, that's memory in there. He doesn't feel well today. So that's why he's not in the video. He's not feeling good. Look how this pizza looking.
Wow.
Look at this dough. You guys, we're going to have a rectangle pizza.
Mommy, what about the circle pizza?
We can't do circles. Well, we could. Let me see. See? It's a rectangle. See?
Oh, what about the circle?
Okay. Back up so they can see.
Oh my god, this is so cold.
Yeah.
Oh my
This
god.
don't look like no rectangle to me. Right?
Yeah.
We have our crust right here ready. And we got to get us a spoon. I'm going to let you do this part, okay? You ready?
Mommy, I can
Okay. Our spoon with our pizza dough. And Zayden, what we're going to do is we're going to lay our sauce on, okay?
Yeah.
We're going to lay our sauce on.
Yeah.
And then I want you to smooth it out, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead. That should be enough. Just, yeah, go ahead. Round and round and round and round. You got it? A little more like this. Let mommy help. See, we got, let me see. Let me show you, and then you can finish, okay? Spread it out like this. Don't put it all the way on the edges, okay? Because we're going to make the edges some garlicky cheese crust, okay? The edges is for the crust, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead. You can spread it out, too. Yeah, get it on there, boy. Don't be scared. Let me put some more. Okay. You got it? You think you got it?
Yeah. Huh?
You think it looks good?
Yep. It looked good.
Okay.
And look at the spoon.
Yeah, see. All right.
I have washed that food
So
up.
what I'm going to do is, he want to wash this spoon up. Oh, good already, right?
Yeah.
Smells so good. Okay, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going over what Zayden did. And just get our sauce on there really good. Make sure it's enough. Like, you like a lot of sauce or a little bit? Hmm? A lot or a little bit of sauce? I'm going to put a little more.
Little bit.
You like a little bit?
Yeah.
You just got to put enough so that there's enough, so our pizza isn't dry. Okay, you guys, we have our deliciously paired mozzarella and Parmesan cheese for pizza.
And look at me.
Okay, then you gonna help me put the cheese on there? Put some cheese?
Yep.
Go ahead. Here, no, dig in it. Don't be scared, boy. This is the point of making some pizza. What you doing? Zayden putting his first layer of cheese on there. Don't be scared, Zayden. We want a lot. You don't want a lot of cheese? Look at me.
Yeah, I want one.
Look. Yes. Hope you guys can see that. Yes, Zayden. It's looking good. Don't put a lot of cheese. It could be really cheesy.
Yeah.
The last time we made this, it was like a little fail, right?
Yeah.
We didn't get to use like pizza cheese. I mean,
Yeah.
the real pizza crust.
Yeah. The pizza sauce.
Yeah, we spread it out. Yeah. Do you have anything you want to say to the people, Zayden? Because you haven't been on a video in a while. Turn around and say it.
Guys, Mommy,
You don't miss them?
I do.
Tell them I miss you guys.
Hey guys, you saw my birthday and when I see in the pool, then say yes.
It was funny. Okay, we're done with this. Smooth this out around. Okay, the pizza is looking really good. Yeah, so I think they saw your video. If you guys haven't seen Zayden's birthday vlog, if you guys haven't seen Zayden's birthday vlog, you better go watch it. It's called Zayden's 5th birthday. Did you enjoy it, Zayden?
Yep.
You loved it?
Yep. I shake my head. Yeah. Yep.
Okay, here. There you go. Okay, we are now adding our pepperonis.
Yeah.
You want a lot of pepperonis or a little bit?
What?
A lot?
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't want a lot of pepperonis.
Okay.
I think later we're going to do plain, but for right now, we're going to do pepperonis.
Pepperoni.
Pep's behind the camera, you guys. He don't feel good.
Let's say hi. Hi guys. Yeah. Okay, man. Bye bye.
Let's make sure Zayden feel. Let's make sure Mimir feeling good. Oh, go ahead. I'm so sorry. We got our pepperonis on it, nice and fast. Yes, it's looking good already for me. Oh, you can add more pepperonis. I'm gonna add more cheese because I want our pizza to be cheesy.
I want pizza.
Cheesy.
Yeah, I want pizza.
Go ahead, you can add it.
Pepperoni.
Yeah. Add your pepperonis on there, boy.
Add cheese, mommy.
I don't know, you guys. I think I'm gonna I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna add some more cheese. Okay. Yep, and add your pepperonis, y'all. Make it look good. We gotta make this pizza look good. Like, tell them, don't be scared, you guys.
Don't be scared.
No, you don't be scared.
Yeah, I don't be scared. It will.
Okay.
It will be already.
Yes. Okay, you guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna warm up our garlic butter to go on our edges. Zayden's having him a pepperoni break while I warm up this garlic butter. I can't wait to eat it. What about you?
Me?
You're not in the camera, Zayden.
Yeah.
Can't wait to eat it.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. The butter is done. It looks so good. Look, Zayden, this is where the butter go. The butter is gonna go around
Mommy,
the edges.
I did some too.
Hmm?
I do some too.
Now do some here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you put it on the edges, all around the edges. On the edges.
Oh.
It's okay. You just put it, wipe it on, smear it on there like this. You just focus. Go ahead and eat that.
I did that pizza quick.
You need a pepperoni break.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You guys, he loves pepperoni, pickles, and everything else. He's silly. You guys, I know I told y'all that we're gonna do me and Bay is going to do us oh, you guys, his name is Dub. He don't want me calling him his name. His name is Dub. So me and Dub, whatever, me and Bay, we supposed to do our smack or facts video, and then he didn't do it. So like I said to you guys, if he didn't do the video, I was pranking him. So stay tuned for that, okay? Yeah. Stay tuned for that prank video because I'm pranking him. I already told him what it was, and he playing in my face. So
Mommy freaking him. That's why Mommy.
One second. This is what our pizza looks like. Y'all see that? That's the garlic butter crust. But this is what our pizza look like. We're about to throw it in the oven. We're about to throw it in the oven. And then for about like 8 to 10 minutes, throw it in the oven, let it cook. And we're going to be back.
I'm going to be back. Bye.
To be back. You guys. Look at that pizza.
Get you.
Zayden, do you see the pizza?
Yeah.
Do it look good?
Yeah.
Tell them what you think about it.
It looks so good.
High five. Yes.
High five.
Oh, he gave you guys a high five. High five, you guys. We did a really, really good job. It looks so good. I'm about to give you guys a close-up of what our pizza looks like. Here's a close-up of what our pizza look like, you guys. I think we actually really did a good job. Get the knife.
You cut it? You gonna cut the piece?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut them in squares. What you think? Squares? Because I can't really cut triangles. What you think? Triangles?
What they go?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, you guys, we're gonna cut it like this. I think it's still too hot, but we wanna try it, right, Zayden?
Yeah.
We wanna try for you guys. Cause it looks so yummy. Remember, do you see our pizza? It looks so good.
The way they go is broken.
It looks so freaking good, you guys. Should I cut this too, like this, or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I saw Mommy do this.
Okay. Which slice you want? Which one?
I know. Over there.
You want this one?
Yeah, I got the dot.
Okay. Look at that cheese. Oh, cheese ball.
Get that off.
You guys, look at Zayden. He want to try the pizza so bad. He's over here trying to blow it to death. I'm going to make Mimir a piece right here. So Mimir can try it also.
Oh, it's so hot.
Let me see. Gotta blow it. Okay. You think you can? Stop. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
See. Mine got your piece.
There you go. What you think, Zayden?
Good.
Thumbs up if you think it's good.
Yeah.
Y'all hear you guys. This pizza is really good. I'm going to stick mine back in the oven for a little bit because I love mine a little like on a like crust side. I love my crust a little crunchy, if that makes sense. Or I throw it in the air fryer or whatever. But I know it's great. We did great with this one. Zayden, what you give this pizza? You give
10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10. Tell them, Zayden.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. You guys, it's good, man?
Yeah.
We give this a 10 out of 10. It's your girl, Sham, and your boy,
Zayden.
We got Miranda Cut over there.
Stop.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
And hit the bell for notifications.
It's just tomorrow because we coming back with something special. I told y'all if he did not do that video with me, I was pranking him. I told y'all if he wasn't doing that video with me, I was pranking him. That's on period. And I mean what I say. All right, you guys. We're out of here. Peace.